Hey you guys, so I finally decided to put the tow hook on the car. I've had the tow hook for about 8 months now and haven't put it on, mostly because last year I got pulled over for having no front plate. So I put the license plate back on, and the mounting kit that I got for the license plate actually goes where the tow hook would normally go. So I didn't put that on, but just last night took the plate off and put the tow hook on. So can you see it here? It's like a neochrome. Looks really good with the car, kind of blends in, which I kind of like actually. So hopefully I don't get pulled over for that, for not having a front plate again. But kind of hard to see even from a little ways away. Let me see if I can, okay. Yeah, so not bad. Pretty cool. Just screws right in there. Just gives it a kind of more import look, I guess you could say. But yeah, definitely is worth it. It was really cheap too. I'll try and find where I got it and put the link in the description below. Can't remember where I got it, but try and look that up and put the link in the description below for you guys. So yeah, put the tow hook on and we'll see how long it takes me to get pulled over here.